Went to Marikiti. Marikiti is in the CBD. On your way around Kamukonji, I bought several items, groceries. I love natural food, so in mama kibanda zenye ziko around where I live, we don't have such variety of items, so I decided to go to Marikiti. So what I got mostly is fruits and some cabbages. So I'll post them in the order that's according to how favorite they are to me. So first off was avocados. You can see how big they are. Imagine one was going for 20 shillings only. So I got 5 of them. So, and they were variety, a lot. Such avocado, let's say like this one, in where I live in Mama Kibanda, you find that this is 50 shillings. So you see, you save 30 shillings each. So the other item is, what is it called? Dragon fruit. This dragon fruit, there's a time they were costing around 1,000 each. Imagine, for such a fruit. But I think a lot of farmers are starting now to plant them, and they are easily accessible. So there are bigger ones, but I opted for these smaller ones, and one was going for 100 shillings. I bought 4 of them, so 400. The item that I got is tangerine. Tangerine, I love them. High in fiber, not so sweet. I don't love these oranges that are too orange on the outside. Those are genetically modified. Too much sugar, you don't really get like a lot of fiber in it. But tangerine, very nice. Imagine. So in each fruit, you'll save 50 shillings. 50 shillings, that's a lot of money. And then there is apple. I love apple. So one was going for 25 shillings. I bought 4, so 100 shillings, all of them. I also got carrots. These were going for 20 shillings. Imagine where I live, 1 carrot like this, it's 10 bob. 1 carrot, 10 shillings. I said no, there is no way. So this bunch is for 20 Kenya shillings. And then we have a bunch of all of these 80 shillings. And in the nearest market that I can see is a bigger market, and lime. Like 3 of these usually go for 20 bob. So you can imagine this whole bunch, 80 shillings. That's a huge saving in this bad economy. Yeah. The other item is okra. So okra, this whole bunch was going. I know there are controversies that have been there around okra, but me, I'm using it purposely for stew. I love eating stew, and also because of its high fiber, and then because it produces, it helps with digestion. Yeah, so this whole bunch was going for 50 shillings. That's so fair. So in other areas, you'll find that like half of this is what is 50 shillings. So generally, this would have been sold for 100 shillings. The other item I got was purple cabbage. Those that are close to me know that I really love purple cabbage, and being in a place where you don't have big markets, this usually even goes for 150 or 100 Kenya shillings. I've not been finding it around so often, so I opted to go buy it in Marikiti. They were selling they were selling using a kg. So I got these 3, and these went for 200 shillings. Purple cabbage is a bit pricey compared to the normal cabbage, so I love it because of its color. It has more fiber content and also more crunchier. I really love it, so I eat it with meat and avocado. Cucumbers, I got 3 for 20 shillings. I love cucumbers in my eggs, and also because of its high fiber content. If you've noticed, I buy things that are high in fiber because you find that a lot of people really get constipated, and especially most people these days eat a lot of junk. They don't drink enough water, they sit all day. You'll find mtu ana sweat akienda washroom because kitu haitoki au kunywi maji. So I love making food or consuming food that is high in fiber. So you can see that. So if you like to go to Marikiti, you can try it, but be careful when you're using your phone there, because obviously this is in Nairobi. This is Nairobi where you can just get robbed. Don't allow just anyone to carry your luggage. They'll steal it. You better even carry it yourself or even pay a boda boda. Or you, if you trust someone there, then you can. But be careful who you are giving your luggage to. There are good people there, but just be careful. I'm not saying that you should not give people work to do or to carry for you the luggage, but be careful. Okay? Yeah. Yum yum. Yum yum. I love it.